Well, this is it. This is tip number 5 of my 5-part series on what you kind of need to know as a absolute beginner. Matter of fact, before you even start wood turning, review these 5 tips and it'll help you out. Learn from my mistakes. Tip number 5, finishing. It's tough. It is what I have struggled with the most. It has been the thing that has upset me the most about wood turning. Not the wood turning, not stuff flying off, not dropping it as I'm, no, the finishing. For me, it was the hardest thing to learn. As an absolute beginner, I'm going to give you a tip. It's tip number 5. Keep it really simple. The easiest thing to do is Danish oil. You turn a bowl, you turn a pan, well, pans are different. You turn something. You want to put a finish on it. Start with Danish oil. It's the easiest thing to do, and to be honest, I don't think you can mess it up. Okay? So, to the next level. The next thing, if you want to, you've done a couple things, you've done them in Danish oil. The next step for me, um, don't go out and make shine juice. Don't try to use some sort of high build polish, okay? It's not as easy as it looks. Now, I've taken classes and I've sat there and I've watched the guy do it, and it, I mean, I am this far away from him, and I come back that day and can't get it right. I get these, I get these weird lines, and anyway. So the second thing, your next step, so you're going to start with Danish oil. The next thing is this stuff called Axe. It's sanding paste. I use Axe. I pay for it. It's not sponsored. There's sanding paste. So once you're done finishing, and well, not finishing, once you're done sanding, hit it with Axe paste, and then follow it up with Axe polishing, whatever this polishing paste, and that's it. For the absolute beginner, start here. Okay. Um, it gets a lot more complicated once you get past these, and that is tip number 5. Thanks for watching.